Hey, down alive, just checking in on the fellas over here at DWS. I rolled up and this Oldsmobile was dropped off the flatbed right here. Looks like it just maybe came back from a paint shop. And fellas over here at Tow Truck Commies, looks like maybe they'll be putting this thing together here. So we'll have to see what the progress on. Got a vinyl top. It's not a real hot rod. Only got a 2-pedal and a gear shift lever on the column. I don't know, but it might be an original. Looks to be a 69 or 70. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what it looks to be. And we got some cool stuff going on here. We got a C10 truck being worked on here. Of course, we got this Charger RT that's been in here for a while. But the newest, hottest, biggest thing is that the fellows are working on right here. It's a Dodge RT, similar to Darren's RT. And they're trying to put the pumpkin underneath it, I guess, their wheels, so they can roll it. And it's got a real race car, according to Gino. He says it's got a roll bar in it. So that makes it a real race car. And there's a Hemi motor over here. We'll see in a minute that's going to go in it. So how about that? So let's see what else is moseying on around here. There's a custom C10 with a stake bed. Well, not a stake bed, but a, yeah, okay, you tell me, mental lapse. But it's got one of them beds, and it's got a spray on the tree. It's a 3-pedal truck hot rod. Whoa, it's really a go faster. It's a Flintstone car. No motor. Oh, there it is. It's sitting out over here. It looks like they pulled it out. And you got some energy with a Coke to pour in it. So here's a C10, and that is a motor and a tranny. It's a manual transmission. So there's Darren DWS's Cornet, which that other one is going to be resembling, maybe not in color, but it's going to have a Hemi. So we'll have to see what the progress of that's going to be. So speaking of Hemis, let's look at the Hemi that's supposed to be going in it. I think it's under these covers. Let's unveil it. Yeah. Oop. Hang in there. Yeah. Yep. That's a Hemi. Brand spanking new, reworked Hemi. Just like Darren's Hemi. I'm going to go into that new project car. So, that's what's going on here at DWS Classics here in Huntington Beach. Surf City, Cruise City, Danovision, USA.